In this very short quick tips video, I'm going to go through 2 easily avoidable common causes of chainsaw engine damage relating to dirt in the fuel. And if you'd like to know what they are, then keep watching, because over the next 3 minutes I'm going to explain. Now, these aren't the only causes of chainsaw engine damage, of course, because that's vast. These are just common causes that I've found. So to best explain this, let's imagine we've got a chainsaw and we'll take a look at its engine. We can see we've got the fuel tank there, the fuel pipes, the carburettor, and of course the engine. Imagining now then that we've got a great oil to fuel mix with a good premium oil, good quality fuel. If we've obviously got a situation where we've got crud and dirt resting at the bottom of the fuel tank, even if it's not always obviously visible, then it only takes a slight malfunctioning of some sort, some damage of the fuel filter here, or it being missing, and then we're going to get that crud going all the way through the fuel lines and through the carburettor and into the engine. And over time, with little 2-stroke engines like this, as that crud goes through into the engine, it has an abrasive effect on all them moving components, acting like a sandpaper. It wears away slowly at the barrel and the piston, creating the unwanted and unnecessary damage. There is another way that dirt and crud can get into the engine other than it being through the fuel, so the air that's drawn in by the engine. And so this final part emphasises the vital necessity of a decent quality air filter and the maintenance of that air filter. And so again, it's equally as vital that the air has to be crystal clean, no debris inside that air whatsoever. Because in a scenario where the air filter is either damaged or it's insufficient or it's missing, there's going to be contamination inside the air, and that contamination over time does the same thing as what I was talking about with the fuel. It results in that unnecessary and unwanted money wasting engine damage. Those last 2 points really emphasise the need for thorough and regular servicing of a chainsaw. Replace the air filter and the fuel filter and things like that at least, and the fuel, and cleaning out the fuel tank yourself rather than leave it and then it develops into a money wasting problem. Of course, if you don't feel confident undertaking any of the work yourself, then it's always best to see a professional. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video, and please take a look down in the description below where you'll find a link to my website for some free downloads. I've designed these to help with diagnostics, troubleshooting and repairs of certain 2-stroke engines, mainly chainsaws. And I shall be continually adding new downloads here, so please keep your eye on this side of the site so you can always be up to date with what's new on there and to continually see if there's any downloads of particular value to you. The best of it is that they're printable, so you can take them in the workshop with you and study them at your own time whilst you're working on your machine. There are some paid downloads, but most of them are and will remain free. And in the meantime, I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching.